You've been lied to. You've been told that you need 12, 16 sets a week to grow a muscle. But what if I told you you've been wasting your time and that just 2 sets is the most efficient way to build muscle? This 2-set method is going viral right now, and for good reason. After I gave it a try myself, I've built more muscle faster than ever before, and I can confidently say I'm never going back. So let me break it down raw and simple. Studies show that even 1 set taking all the way to failure twice a week is enough to trigger muscle growth. You see, muscles don't grow just because you hit a certain amount of sets. They grow when you push a set to true failure. That's when your brain gets the message: we're not strong enough, time to build more muscle. There's a common misconception thinking more is better. You blast through 6-7 sets of chest exercises in one session, but after the first 2, you're already fatigued. The rest is just junk volume. You're not building more muscle, you're just burning time and digging a recovery hole. By keeping it at 2 all-out sets, you can actually give everything without pacing yourself. No wasted energy, no fake intensity, just pure growth stimulus. So why does this actually work? Well, first of all, it's your focus. When you know you've only got 2 sets, you go all in. No pacing yourself, no saving energy, you can simply go all out. Next, progression is quite simple. You either add a rep or add a little weight. That's it. No overcomplication and no overthinking. And for recovery, well, since you're not drowning in junk volume, your body actually has the time to recover. That means next week you're stronger, lifting heavier, and thus, as a result, growing. It's simple, but it works. But bro, isn't more volume better? Well, only if you actually push all those sets to true failure. But honestly, would that be sustainable? Even if you could do it, I highly doubt you'd be able to recover from so much volume. The truth is, those extra sets barely give any more stimulus, but they do dump a ton of fatigue on your body. Past the first 2, and you're not recruiting more muscle fibers. You're just burning energy, trashing recovery, and hitting diminishing returns. The only exception where more volume actually would work would be if you were sticking needles up your ass. Then maybe you could survive 10+ sets. But if that were the case, I doubt you'd even watch this video. So, how do you actually implement this in the gym? Well, let's say you're doing chest press and you're done warming up. For the first set, just go hard and leave 0 reps in reserve. Rest 2 to 3 minutes and take your second set all the way to failure. That's it, you're done. 2 sets. Next exercise. It's simple, but quite effective. So when you're in the gym next time, be honest with yourself. Are you really pushing yourself or just counting reps? Hit true failure and 2 solid sets will build you muscle faster than any other method. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe, and check out this video next where I break down the 5 most common mistakes keeping you small. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.